Hello everybody and welcome back to Know the Law, and in today's episode we're going to talk about trespass or trespass to lands as the tort puts it. So for example, let me give an example on how this relates. You have a car, you want to park on someone's land, or maybe you get into someone's property or land without their consent or without their approval. Even if you've not done any damage to it or anything, it amounts to what you call trespass. So under Zambian common law, trespass to land occurs when a person enters or places anything like a car or anything that is movable or anything on a private property without permission of the owner, regardless of whether there is damage or not. That is called what? Property trespass. Sorry. So, what are the issues here? What are the requirements? So, for example, someone wants to start selling there, want to start selling vitumbua, you told them about, no, this is my property, move out of there. No, hey, this is government land. Hey, I'm here by the but this is my property. It's within my means. The person is refusing. The person is merely trespassing. You as a landowner, you have the right to do what? Not to allow anybody, even if they have not done any damage, they're just there standing. Even if you've met someone, they are standing by the roadside in your area, in your yard, chatting with a girl in the night or even during the day, you can allow them, say, please move, this is my property, move out. You can tell them why, because they're basically trespassing. So trespassing is just basically those people finding themselves on your land. You're on your yard, on your premises. Even if you're a tenant, you're not the owner, but you're a tenant, because you're the one who's occupying that place. The possession is in you have the possession to the land. So you have the right to say, okay, yes, I'm the one that is occupying this property, please, may you please move. Don't park your car in front of my gate. Don't park your car on my premises. I'm going to, you have that right. For example, there's a funeral by the neighbor's house, and people are now parking into your yard because it's a funeral. You have the right, because those people are now encroaching your land. They're trespassing. They are actually placed their cars there without your permission. So you can even go to court. You can even ask the person to pay, even if you didn't put any damage there or anything. They can still pay. So always know that when you see there's someone's land and everything, always get permission. And sometimes they can give you permission, and the permission, if they can withdraw permission and say, now if you're still on that land after they've withdrawn their permission, it still amounts to trespass, because the person does no longer want you within their premises. You must leave. And they will still call the police for trespass. They can still take you to court for trespass. Or remember that trespass is basically this really, the core of it is that it's just basically trying to protect the owner's enjoyment of their land. Up until next time, this is Know the Law.